Good morning, everybody. Welcome to online session in the subject of parasitology with a very interesting topic for the purpose of online study for the student of second BHMS, Kent Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Hajipur. Myself, Dr. Mohammad Kasif Reza, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Kent Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital. The topic is Leishmania, a parasite the vector and host of the parasite is human and mosquito. The sand fly is the vector and the human is the host of the Leishmania. Leishmania is a genus of trypanosomatid protozoa which cause a fatal vector-borne parasite disease called leishmaniasis. It is spread by the bite of sandfly of the genus Phlebotomus in the Old World and in the of the genus Ludgomia in the New World. Leishmaniasis is the second largest parasitic killer in the world after malaria and is epidemic in many parts of Africa, Asia and South America. The parasite belongs to the kingdom Protista, subkingdom Sarcomastigophora, phylum Protozoa, subphylum Mastigophora, class Zoomastigophora, order Caneplastida, genus Leishmania, species Donovani, Tropica mexicana, Braziliensis, etc. etc. Important species of this parasite are Leishmania donovani, Leishmania tropica, Leishmania mexicana, Leishmania braziliensis, Leishmania major, Leishmania ganensis, Leishmania lansoni, etc. etc. The parasite has a habitat are essentially the parasite of visceral organ. Promastigode form found in sandfly and in culture, amastigode form found in men in reticuloendothelial cell of spleen, bone marrow, liver, intestinal mucosa, mesenteric lymph nodes. Morphologically, the parasite exists in two forms, amastigode or aflagellar stage, promastigode or flagellar stage. Morphological differences. The amastigode form has a flagellar stage, occurs in vertebrate host, divide by binary fission at 37 degrees centigrade. There are round or oval 2 to 4 micron along longitudinal axis, nucleus relatively larger and situated centrally. In the promastigode form, flagellar stage occurs in sandfly, divided by binary fission at 27 degrees centigrade. They are spindle shaped, 50 to 20 micron in length and 1 to 2 micron in width. Nucleus is smaller and situated in the middle of the cell wall, long axis of the cell wall. Life cycle of Leishmania donovani. From the infected stage of the parasite, sandfly injects promastigode into the skin during blood meal. Promastigodes are phagocytized by neutrophils that are rapidly recruited to the bite site. Infected neutrophils release the parasite, which are then consumed by macrophages. Macrophages transform into hemastocyte into the macrophages. Hemastocytes multiply in cell including macrophages with various tissues. These two are the diagnostic stage. Sandfly ingests infected macrophage when it takes a blood meal. Injection of parasitized cell, hemastocyte transform into promastocyte in mid-gut of the mosquito. Promastocyte divides and migrates to the interior midgut and foregut of the mosquito. Then finally, sandfly inject promastocyte into the skin of a blood meal of a new patient. Life cycle of other species of Leishmania are similar to Leishmania donovani, except that in Leishmania tropica, hemastocyte reside in large mononuclear cells of the skin. In Leishmania mexicana, hemastocyte form in the reticuloendothelial cells of lymphatic tissues of the skin. In Leishmania braziliensis, hemastocytes are found in reticuloendothelial cells and lymphatic tissues of skin and mucous membranes. Mode of transmission of Leishmania donovani, mainly by bite of sandfly, that is the vector Phlebotomus. Already studied that in the old world, and Phlebotomus argentipes, less frequently by blood transfusion, congenital infection, accidental inoculation of cultured promastocyte in the lab workers' sexual intercourse. Mainly the male are affected more due to increased exposure to sandflies through their occupation and leisure activities. Reservoir of Leishmania donovani are women in Indian subcontinent. In Africa, rodents are the reservoir. Foxes in Brazil and Central Asia, dogs in China. Vector, the phlebotomus in the old world, Leishmania in the new world. This is the sandfly. Clinical manifestation of the disease is the fever, splenomegaly, lymphadenopathy, darkening of skin, that is called kalajar, meaning black figure. Complication is pneumonia, TB, dysentery, uncontrolled hemorrhage. Prognosis is very bad. With an early treatment, cure rate is more than 90%. If not treated, death occurs within 2 years. It takes very long time. Type of leishmaniasis. Leishmaniasis is divided into clinical syndromes according to what part of the body is affected most. Visceral leishmaniasis, cutaneous leishmaniasis, mucocutaneous leishmaniasis, MCL. Visceral leishmaniasis or kalajar caused by Leishmania donovani. Part of the body affected is most is internal organs, that is the visceral organs. The baby showing splenomegaly, enlargement of the spleen. Cutaneous leishmaniasis, most common type. This is the most common type. Old world cutaneous leishmaniasis caused by Leishmania tropica and Leishmania ethiopica. New world cutaneous leishmaniasis caused by Leishmania mexicana, Leishmania braziliensis, and Leishmania guianensis. Dermal leishmaniasis or post-kalajar dermal leishmaniasis caused by Leishmania donovani. Part of the body most affected is skin. Mucocutaneous leishmaniasis caused by Leishmania braziliensis and occasionally by Leishmania panamensis. Part of the body affected most is skin and mucous membrane of nose and pharynx. Synonyms of leishmaniasis. Visceral leishmaniasis is also known as Kala-Azar, black fever, dum-dum fever, Sahib's disease, Kala-Du, white leprosy. Cutaneous leishmaniasis is also known as Aleppo boil, Baghdad boil, Delhi boil, Kandahar sore, Lahore sore, Oriental sore. Mucocutaneous leishmaniasis, Birida's disease, Bosseous, Bussios, Forestios. Laboratory diagnosis. Direct evidence, indirect evidence, and other methods. In the direct evidence, thick film method, blood culture, biopsy. In the indirect evidence, blood count, serum test. Other methods are animal inoculation, Leishman or Montejero test, Alder's test. In the direct evidence, peripheral blood by thick film method, investigative forms are visualized in the blood film. Blood culture in NNN medium pro-mastigote form are visualized. In the biopsy, material obtained by lymph node puncture, external or iliac crust puncture, that is bone marrow, and spleen puncture, the spleen pulp. A masticate form is in a stain smear, pro-mastigote in culture in NN medium. Prevention and control. Prevention is done by reduction of SEN5 population. That vector control method by insecticide, mainly DDT and diadrenaline, malathion spraying, reduction of reservoir by killing all the infected dogs in the cases of zoonotic Kala-Azar. Education in the community about the causes and modes of transmission of leishmaniasis, prevention of exposure to sandfly using insect repellent, bed nets and window mesh as needed. There are no vaccine to prevent leishmaniasis. Oh, sorry. Management, specific therapy supplemented with treatment of secondary microbial infection, high calorie protein rich diet, blood transfusion in severe anemia. Any question? You can write down in the comment section. Thank you, sir.